How to submit a floodplain permit. The floodplain permit is located under the building section. The first step will ask if this floodplain permit is associated with the building project. If yes, you can enter additional information to link the project. If no, you can save and continue. Step 2, you will be able to enter location information for your project. For this example, I will type in 76 Service and click on the drop-down. This will bring in the parcel number for the location as well. The green checks are critical in order to proceed. Step 3 will be the application form, where you can enter owner information, contractor, architect, engineer, as well as primary permit contact. The location information is informational only and cannot be edited. Step 4 will allow you to upload files to your project. Once file selected, you will click the Upload button. Every file uploaded needs an associated file type. The final step will allow you to review the information submitted. You can click on each tab to view what you've entered. If anything was entered incorrect, you can click the back button. If everything was correct, you may click Submit.